This is verse 27 of the 20th chapter, Gospel of Matthew. Jesus is instructing his disciples concerning greatness in the kingdom. Undoubtedly what he says is coming as a bit of a shock to them, especially given the requests that have been made by James and John that they wanted to sit at the right hand and at the left of Jesus in his kingdom. And Jesus says that the one that wants to be great among you should become the diakonos, the servant. Not quite a slave, but Jesus does reach that level of servitude in this next verse. So we have kai, the connective, hos on, same construction as before. The on from aeon leads us to the subjunctive. So whoever, relative pronoun, if. So whoever wants is the idea. The thelo from I wish or I want. Third person singular, aorist active, or present active actually, subjunctive. So whoever wishes. En preposition with the plural here will be among, so among you, enai. This is the infinitive of eimi, I am, present active infinitive. So whoever wishes among you to be. Protos, a little stronger than the word earlier. Megale was the word, which meant, of course, to be great, to be highly esteemed. But this means first, to be first in line. So he elevates the sort of degree of his analysis here. Whoever wants to be the first. Estai, this is the future of eimi, third person singular, future, active indicative. He will be. Humon, again put ahead of the word that it accompanies to give it emphasis. So it would be a slave of you. Your slave would be the best way, and that's the whole point. That and notice that doulos here is the most abject form of servitude. This is a person who is actually the possession of another, and that's the level to which Jesus takes us now. The person who wants to be first, the very greatest, the very highest, the most important and prestigious, you might say, in the kingdom, becomes the slave. Now, the slave can take many forms. If a person is a slave in certain contexts, it doesn't mean that they derive all their directions. A teacher may teach a class and view himself or herself as a slave, and yet at the same time has to take control of the situation. Part of their slave status is going to be to exercise the role diligently of a teacher, but it does speak to the humility that is going to accompany someone in any form of service that takes place in the kingdom, that they're going to be doing this not with a sense of their own greatness, but really with a sense of the service that they're providing to others for the benefit of others. And it's there that Jesus lodges the deepest kind of greatness in the kingdom.